In this video, we'll build a Glassmorphism UI with glowing neon borders using Jetpack Compose, and it looks amazing. Source code link available in video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more modern Android UI tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you want next. Thanks for watching.